Welcome to our interior design tutorial on decorating table lamps. Today, we'll explore how to enhance the visual appeal of your table lamps using various components. Let's start with the base. The base serves as the foundation of your lamp. Choose a base that complements the style of your room. It could be sleek and modern or ornate and traditional. Next, consider the body of the lamp. This is the main structure that connects the base to the socket. Opt for a body that harmonizes with the overall design scheme of your space. Now, let's talk about the socket and bulb. These components provide the light source for your lamp. Select bulbs with the appropriate brightness and color temperature to create the desired ambience. The lampshade is where you can really get creative. Choose a shade that diffuses the light beautifully and adds a touch of style to your lamp. The harp and finial are essential for securing the lampshade in place. Make sure they complement the overall design of your lamp. And don't forget about the cord. Choose a cord that blends seamlessly with your decor. The switch and plug are the final touches that bring your lamp to life. Consider opting for a dimmer switch for added convenience and versatility. These components may seem less noticeable, but they play a crucial role in the functionality and durability of your lamp. Make sure they're sturdy and well built. If you're mounting your lamp on a wall or ceiling, ensure that you have the appropriate mounting hardware and base plate to secure it safely. And finally, don't underestimate the power of decorative accents. Whether it's a unique shade ring or intricate detailing on the base, these small touches can make a big difference. By carefully selecting and arranging these components, you can transform your table lamp into a stunning focal point that enhances the overall aesthetic of your space. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. To learn more, visit rofhome.com.